Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Araw-araw ko yung papasalamat ko ang bibig at pinili para makasama ko hanggang sa pagkakas.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars. Let me see what life is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Pangako na kahit ano man ibato sa'yo ng mundo, kasama mo ako. Na ikaw ang pipiliin sa araw-araw, na ikaw ang iintindihin sa mga araw na hindi ka maintindihan, na mamahalin ka kahit hindi kita bati. At kung mapagod man ako, ikaw lang ang aking magiging pahinga.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Adrian and Camille Rosario.
You finally find someone to be with you for the rest of your life. Excited? Adrian, this is it. You may now kiss your bride, Camille.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm dreaming, or maybe caught up in a trance. Don't even recognize the feeling.
Adrian and Camille, hindi lahat ay tinawag ng Diyos sa pag-aasawa. Hindi lahat ay tinawag ng Diyos para maging kasangkapan niya magbigay ng panibagong buhay. Kaya ang kasal ninyo, ang pag-aasawa ninyo ay biyaya ng Diyos.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break.
Okay, this is the follow-up question. If God will asking you how many children you want to have, so Camille, how many?
10 po.
I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday. Feels like I'm walking on the
Ito na ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. Naaalala ko dati nung tinanong ka dati kung may pag-asa bang maging tayo. Ang sabi mo, ayoko sa tigre. Pero tingnan mo talaga ang tadhana. After so many follow-ups, inaya mo din ako magpakasal.
sweeping us. I think I want everything you got. You threw your line and I was caught. Never ever gonna give you up.
Camille, do you take Adrian here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do!
Thank you for making me your favorite person. I love you, my answered prayer.
I want you to be my everyday.
Adrian, do you take Camille her present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Can't remember life before you, and I can't imagine life
At hindi lamang ang simbahan, ang Panginoong Diyos ang pumoprotekta sa kasal ninyong dalawa. Pati po ang Estado, ay nangangalaga at pinoprotektahan ang kasal ninyong dalawa.
Darling, you found me. I could never break away. Now you found me.
Dear Wabi, unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat dahil palagi ka nasa tabi ko hanggang sa dumating tayo sa kung anumang meron tayo ngayon. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-aalaga sa akin araw-araw. Sobrang swerte ko dahil ikaw yung mga pangalan.
I promise to be faithful to you, to be the best wife and mother to our future children. I will always be here for you. We will explore new places and new experiences together. I promise to love you, support you, and choose you always. Love, your